Hello, this is Dr. Ben, and today I got an email, actually a couple weeks ago, rather. I got an email from a gentleman, and he is saying he cut his fingertip. And he said 6 weeks ago I had an accident with my window and air conditioner. The tip of my finger was cut and broken. Which supplements are good to promote healing? Well, that's a really good question. Before I talk about the healing, I want to say what not to do. It's very common that people recommend pouring hydrogen peroxide on wounds and pouring a little bunch of salt water on wounds. Open wounds, it's not a good idea to apply hydrogen peroxide. It actually damages the healing process. Rather, you can put the hydrogen peroxide around the wound or dilute it a whole bunch. But I was taught in minor surgery class at Bastyr University to never apply hydrogen peroxide within a wound. You can also apply iodine. Betadine solution is commonly used. Again, that is used around the wound, not inside of it. So I would recommend washing the wound with just soap and water. Obviously, if it's a big gash and you got flesh hanging out, I would go to the see your doctor and get it stitched up. Butterfly bandages are good as well. But since it happened 6 weeks ago, I assume that stage is long gone, and you just want to prevent scarring and have your collagen lay down properly on your skin. So in order to do that, I recommend just basic nutrients. The common fat-soluble nutrients are good for skin healing. Vitamin A, D, and E are all fantastic, along with zinc and selenium, and vitamin C as well. So those are the key nutrients for skin healing, and get those. There's a great product out there. I think it's called ACEs plus zinc. I don't offer that at healthygoods.com. I actually been looking for a better wound supplement than that one because it's good, but it's not the cat's meow. And that's what I'm always looking for. So topically, I recommend applying a product called Whole Skin Ointment. It's a fantastic product. It's an almond oil base along with some herbs, and it's offered at healthygoods.com. Again, it's Whole Skin Ointment. It's by Chi Enterprise. It's got rave reviews from past physicians, MDs as well. And I use it on my own family, on burns and just wounds in general. I find it to be really effective. Another good important tip too with wounds is to keep them moist. A lot of people think that it's good to keep them dried out. It's not, because what happens when it dries out is it cracks and you have to start over the process again. So apply the whole skin ointment after you wash it with soap and water, put a cloth bandage on it, and then tape it lightly, not too tight, with a good medical tape. Medical tapes tend to breathe better than your standard duct tape or your scotch tape, which you most likely have been trying to do. Again, not recommended. And I wouldn't put tape directly on the wound either because of the glues and the adhesives. They're not a good idea to touch the wound. So that's it in general. So you got the nutrients internally, the A, C, D, and E, and zinc and selenium, and then the whole skin ointment. Keep it moist. Don't pour peroxide on it. If you're going to soak it in very dilute sea salt water, Epsom salt water, but very, very dilute, again, because that can burn the tissues. All right, so do that, and you'll see your skin improve. All right, thanks for your question. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.